Okay, sasagot lang po tayo sa katanungan ng isa nating masugid na follower. So, ang tanong po niya is insulto or pamamahiya ng katrabaho kahit boss pa siya ay pwedeng tanggalin or ma-terminate? So, ang sagot po natin dyan ay oo. Kasi pareho rin po kayong nagtatrabaho sa isang employer. So, according to the decision of the Supreme Court under GR number 187-200 dated May 2, 2010, serious insult or unbearable treatment which force you to resign or quit is constructive dismissal. So under the law, no written notice is required and employee has the right to be reinstated in lieu of separation or may be given separation pay of 1 month pay for every year in service. So, Attorney Kid Castro po, panatag ang loob ng taong may alam hanggang sa muli.